You may or may not know this. In Australia, the number of kangaroos is 3 times higher than the number of residents living there. The quality of their meat is truly beyond words to describe. As an invasive species, hunting them not only reduces the damage they cause, but also enhances the food industry. How can we make this happen? Right now, let's join me on a journey to explore the symbol of Australia. Kangaroo life usually revolves around daytime activities, and they prefer resting in shady areas. Therefore, when hunting kangaroos, people often do so at night when the animals are less alert to their surroundings. After hunting kangaroos, hunters typically cut off the tail as proof to verify the number hunted. This is a requirement by the Australian government to control and monitor kangaroo hunting activities, ensuring that the number hunted stays within allowable limits to prevent harm to the species population. The growth and reproductive process of kangaroos is truly a natural wonder that many find both intriguing and fascinating. After birth, kangaroos develop from tiny joeys inside their mother's pouch. The young joey continues to grow and mature in its mother's pouch for about 8 to 9 months, receiving essential care and nutrition. In addition to using kangaroo meat, their leather is also highly useful in daily life. Items made from kangaroo leather are quite popular worldwide for their durability and aesthetic appeal. So, we've journeyed together to the end of our exploration of this fascinating animal and how to restore balance to Australia's ecosystem. See you on our next adventure. Thank you. Deep within the bamboo forests, nestled in caves 2 to 3 meters deep, there lives a creature that spends its days nibbling on delicious bamboo. But how did they become a delicacy on dining tables in China? Is there a special reason that makes them so appealing? How does China breed thousands of bamboo rats, achieving an annual output of 2.5 million? Right now, let's uncover why people go to such great lengths to hunt down this bamboo rat. processing plant, the meat undergoes quality inspections, including assessments of appearance, color, and freshness. Only the highest quality meat that meets stringent standards proceeds to the processing stage. Kangaroo meat is packaged and stored under ideal conditions to keep it fresh and sustainable. The packaging typically consists of vacuum-sealed bags or secure containers, ensuring a tight seal and protection from bacterial contamination. Finally, tons of kangaroo meat are transported from the factory to retail locations or major distributors worldwide. After capturing the plump, healthy bamboo rats for breeding, farmers release them into enclosed pens. Each bamboo rat family is housed in its own pen, with each pen spacious enough to allow them room to move around comfortably. To care for the young bamboo rats, farmers typically grind bamboo into a fine powder and mix it with cereal powder and soft plants. This mixture is then divided and placed into each pen for feeding. In the adult stage, from 16 weeks onward, bamboo rats need a fiber-rich diet to maintain their health, and bamboo shoots are their favorite food. The hard bamboo stems help bamboo rats grind their teeth, keeping them sharp and preventing overgrowth. The minerals in bamboo also support bone and muscle development, which is especially beneficial for adult rats. Only healthy rats, showing no signs of illness, are selected for harvest. Considered a delicacy and highly sought after, many are willing to pay a premium for bamboo rats, though they're not always readily available on the market. Adapted to cooler temperatures, these isolated farms deep in the mountains pose an added barrier for consumers seeking this special delicacy. There are many ways to prepare this animal as a dish. The most popular method is grilled bamboo rat, typically marinated with spices like garlic, chili, lemongrass, and fish sauce. And so our journey exploring this fascinating creature comes to an end. From its wild lifestyle and rapid reproduction to its high nutritional value in specialty dishes, the bamboo rat offers many interesting and beneficial aspects. Feel free to share your thoughts about this remarkable animal. Goodbye, and see you on our next adventure.
Do you want to know the secret behind a hearty Thanksgiving dinner and the delicious turkey in their midst? Join us on an exciting journey of discovery. Instead of allowing a chicken to mate freely, artificial insemination in glass tubes is often used. This method ensures that the breeding process is tightly controlled, assuring that each egg will impregnate the egg safely and accurately. Turkeys have a high metabolism, and a male turkey needs about 80 pounds of food to grow. The United States is the world's largest producer and exporter of turkey, second only to Israel in terms of consumption. The poultry industry is a significant industry, with a total value of more than $5.8 billion by 2021. Chicken eggs need special care. After laying, the chicken is taken to a special place, the incubator. Here the eggs are raised in a constant temperature and humidity such as a heated bed.
Regular egg turnover promotes healthy and uniform embryonic development.
Modern technology to allow thousands of chicks to hatch at the same time after 28 days of feeding. By the time they are 4 to 5 weeks old, a small portion of their beaks are trimmed to prevent melting and integration in the herd. For successful growth, farmers create ideal living conditions with stable temperatures and clean environments. Nutrition also plays an important role. High-quality nutrient-dense feed and clean water are essential for healthy chick growth. The health of the turkey flock is a crucial factor inside the fulfillment of a farm. That is why regular fitness checkups are vital. A comprehensive health examination facilitates locate potential problems early, taking into consideration well-timed intervention and effective solutions. Female turkey Thus, providing a varied and balanced diet to the chicken is essential for healthy and robust growth. Incubation is an important step in industrial egg production to maintain strong and high-quality eggs. Turkeys go through a strict and closely monitored processing procedure. In the preparation place, they may be dealt with in line with standardized methods to guarantee food protection and hygiene. The whole processing workflow is meticulously supervised to make certain the very last product meets great standards and is secure for clients. Turkey has grown to be an essential dish in American Thanksgiving celebrations, symbolizing circle of relatives, reunions, and heat. It is frequently organized by roasting or steaming to hold its delicious flavor. The golden, steaming turkey serves because the centerpiece of any Thanksgiving ceremonial dinner, capturing the spirit of the vacation. The health of the turkey flock is a crucial factor inside the fulfillment of a farm. That is why regular fitness checkups are vital. A comprehensive health examination facilitates locate potential problems early, taking into consideration well-timed intervention and effective solutions. Female turkeys usually reach a marketplace weight of about 15.5 kilos after 14 weeks of rearing. Native to the vast forests of North America, chickens have come a long way to become a beloved part of human life. Introduced to Europe in the 16th century, the birds quickly became a popular delicacy. Today, turkeys are not only a symbol of the Thanksgiving holiday but also a valuable animal of great economic importance. In addition to the usual sources of rice, beans, and bran, crocodiles enjoy fresh green leaves and sedge grass. In fact, they can eat up to 30 to 40% greens per day.